Welcome to Sheik Math Academy. In this lesson, we are going to see CBSE Grade 12 Maths Exercise 5.4. Find dy by dx. Look at the question. E power x over sin x. How to differentiate? This is u by v method. So v u dash minus u v dash divided by v square. Here what is v? Let y equal to this one, dy by dx is equal to, what is v? V is sin x. So sin x you keep as it is. U dash e power x. E power x, if you differentiate, e power x only. Minus u e power x. V dash sin x, if you differentiate, cos x. Divided by sin squared x. You can simplify e power x sin x minus cos x divided by sin squared x. Copy down. Denominator should not be 0. Okay. Denominator should not be 0. So sin x, sin squared x should not be 0. Sin squared x should not be 0 means sin x should not be 0. Sin x, so x is not equal to n by x. When it is 0, at 0 degree, 180 degree, 360 degree. So n is integers. Okay. Question number 2. E power sin inverse x. Y. Let y go. Dy by dx, very simple. E power sin inverse x. You have to write e power x is e power x. Then x you have to differentiate. Here sin inverse x. Sin inverse x, if you differentiate, 1 by root of 1 minus x squared. So it is nothing but e power sin inverse x by root of 1 minus x squared. Here also denominator should not be 0. So x value is between minus 1 to, here there are two factors. One is denominator should not be 0. Another is square root, inside the square root should not be negative. So x value is between minus 1 to 1. Not minus 1. When x value is between minus 1 to 1, this value will be less than 1. Less than 1 means what will happen? It will have the 0 or it will have the positive values. Okay, so this is valid at e power sin inverse x. Because denominator, when x is between minus 1 to 1, denominator will not be 0. At the same time, square root will not have the negative value. Okay. See the question number 3. Let y equal to e power x cube. Dy by dx is equal to, very simple, e power x cube. X cube, if you differentiate, 3x squared. 3x squared e power x cube. Got it? Then question number 4. Sin tan inverse e power minus x. What is sin x? Sin x, if you differentiate, cos x. Let y equal to dy by dx is equal to cos tan inverse e power minus x. Tan inverse. So sin we differentiated. Now we have to differentiate tan inverse e power minus x. Okay, here first sin we differentiated. It is cos. Okay, tan inverse e power minus x is, what is tan inverse x? 1 over 1 plus x squared. Here instead of x, this one. Okay, Third, what to differentiate? E power minus x. E power minus x if you differentiate e power minus x, then minus x if you differentiate minus 1. So the answer will be minus e power minus x cos tan inverse e power minus x over 1 plus e power minus x whole square. Okay. Copy down. One plus e power minus x squared, we can write a power m times n is a power m times n is a power mn. So minus x minus e power minus x cos tan inverse e power minus x divided by 1 plus e power minus x if you differentiate, if you minus x times 2 is e power minus 2x. Don't do e power minus x, e power minus x, e power plus x squared, no. This is just multiplication. Take care. Okay, question 5. Log cos e power x. dy by dx is equal to log x if we differentiate 1 by x. Here instead of x, cos e power x. Cos e power x if we differentiate minus sin e power x. Then e power x if we differentiate e power x only. Got it? So minus e power x sin e power x divided by cos e power x. Then what we can do? Further we can simplify. Copy down until now. Further we can simplify this one is equal to sin x over cos x is tan x. Sin e power x over cos e power x is tan e power x. Okay. Good. Copy down. Thank you for watching my videos. All are simple questions. E power x sin x UV method. Here e power sin inverse x, we have to do e power sin inverse x. Then sin inverse x we have to differentiate. Third e power x cube, then x cube we have to differentiate. Fourth sin tan inverse e power minus x. Here 4 differences happens. One sin x, second tan inverse, third e power minus x, fourth is minus x. Fifth is log cos e power x. Log cos e power x if we differentiate, log x is 1 by x. Instead of cos e power x, 1 over cos e power x. Then cos e power x if we differentiate, minus sin e power x. Then e power x if you differentiate e power x. Thank you.